Future Focus founder, welcome home. I'm Gregory, G-Wiz Rutledge, and I'm here to help you master your focus and eliminate distractions so you can experience your full creative potential. Now, whether you're a creative professional, an entrepreneur, or someone just looking to get more out of your day, this channel is for you. Here, we're going to dive deep into practical tips, strategies, and coaching sessions designed to enhance your focus, boost productivity, and inspire personal growth. You can join our community, Becoming Clearly Confident, where we support each other on our journeys to clarity and confidence. It's just what it is. You'll get the support you need. You'll find right above where it says facebook.com/groups and all the numbers. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on new content and live events. And share this channel with another creative so we can all take this journey together, because it's fun together. So thanks for stopping by. Welcome to the Focus Mastery family. Start with the latest episode or take a look around and witness the growth that hopefully inspires you to take messy action too.